Hi guys, today I will do the teardown of this piece of crap. It is a nightclub laser show thing. I did get it on eBay for parts for 10 euros because I was hoping to retrieve good parts from it, but sadly I think I will not be able to get much interesting parts. It is a dual laser tube unit, not laser diodes, so it sounds interesting, but it is made with crappiest possible quality of laser tubes. There are no markings on them or anything. So, on the front we have two laser outputs with rotating mirrors. The horizontal mirror is coupled. It is the same, and there are two vertical mirrors, I would say, but they are stepper motors, they are not galvanometers. And it is pretty sad because I was expecting to find galvanometers, and it should have been cool to make some project with lasers, but they are just stepper motors. On the back side you have power inlet with a cut, I did cut the cord already, fuse, XLR input outputs, not sure how it works, a little, very little fan, way over undersized fan even, slave master switch, and sensibility potentiometer for a microphone. So obviously it is possible to replace, the user can replace himself the laser tubes, because here you have a sticker where it is written open for replacing bulb. Well, they are not bulbs, they are tubes. Interestingly enough, so the model is dual laser by Essex, 80 watt power consumption, and there is no serial number stamped on the manufacturer plate. It has not been erased, it was never written. So it must be a mass produced thing, but really disappointing inside, except for a few parts. And where is it made? It is not written anywhere where it is made. You can see, first glance you can see there are shitty Chinese screws, really bad quality. First here you can see, and inside it is not better because all the parts are low quality, it seems. The fan is NMB brand at least. Okay, so now I will open this for you. Okay guys, so I will open the cover. It is just a matter of removing two screws here, and it should come. It may come. Why? It does not want to come. Let me help it a little. Okay. The cover is just steel plate. Maybe convenient for something, maybe, but not very fancy at all. So here are the contents. Okay, like this. So we have main transformer here with 1200 volts output and 10 volt output. So this may be convenient for some high voltage project. Here you have a voltage multiplier board with some resistors and a bridge, diodes, capacitors, multiplier. Main tank here, it seems, tank caps, but there is nothing written on the caps. It is quite weird, no specification or whatsoever. And one detail, the caps are almost in front of the screws here to remove the PCB, so it is not very convenient at all. So here you can see a loose wire because they do not remain attached correctly to the laser tube if you are missing any of these zip ties. You have here the plugs, fuse and such. Controller board with an Atmel 89C52 chip, some other chips on sockets, some wiring, and at the front 3 stepper motors, one which is common for both outputs here and 2 others, and optical mirrors. I will probably save them for some project. And the 2 laser tubes with holding brackets. So exactly like the caps, there is nothing written on the laser tube. And the shielding you can see inside is kind of loose. It is held in place only by one side, and if you shake the tube, the shielding moves. Quite weird. You can see they are pretty big tubes, 30 centimeters long, but there is nothing written on it, so I believe they are really low on the cheapo tubes. So some screw-in terminals here on the PCB, quite the only nice thing in this device. The 2 sides here are made of extruded aluminum, it seems, but all the other parts are crappy sheet metal. Not nice at all. So what I have to do now is to take everything apart and see which parts I can save for some projects. But I did pay 10 euros for this thing. So as there is at least the high voltage transformer, the stepper motors, it is not too bad. But I was expecting something a little better for the laser tubes at least. It seems they are both dead. I did a test, there is some high voltage output, so the voltage multiplier is working correctly. The tubes themselves are not making anything. So probably they are vented or something like this. I will see if I can open one to make an autopsy of a tube. So for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.